What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the RA Visuals channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at another piece of filmmaking kit that some of you may be interested in, specifically a lavalier microphone kit from a company called Maono, and it's their AU100 lavalier microphone kit. So we're going to get into this thing and unbox it, and then we're going to go ahead and test it and see what this kit has to offer us. But first, let's hear a word from today's sponsor, IPVanish, and they have a very cool offer going on right now for you guys, so don't miss out on it and take a look at this real quick. Have you ever been looking around on one of your favorite streaming services, ready to binge that one show you want to watch, and have been met with this? Yeah. Huge letdown. Or maybe you store all sorts of data for yourself or even clients on your own network attached storage device for ease of access anytime, anywhere. Well, wouldn't you want to make sure that that valuable data is protected? IPVanish can help. IPVanish provides a secure environment for everyday internet activity. Once you establish a VPN, hold up, wait. What's a VPN again? Oh yeah, a VPN protects your online connection so that outsiders with access to the same network cannot intercept your activity. VPNs secure your internet traffic and conceal your browsing data from common third parties including cybercriminals, internet service providers, and invasive advertisers. Alright, back to what I was saying. Once you establish a VPN connection, all of your online traffic, web browsing, video streaming, messaging, file sharing, etc. passes through their encrypted tunnel while your identifying IP address is concealed, protecting you and all of your valuable data. With 24/7 customer support through phone, email, and live chat, a team member is always available to help, as well as 40,000 plus IPs on 1,500 VPN servers in 75 plus locations, giving anyone the power to browse the internet anonymously and access a secure network no matter where they're located. And right now, you can join IPVanish for 3 months for the price of only 1 month using my link in the description below, so make sure you go down there and check that out. Surf the web without a trace using IPVanish. Okay, so in the kit, you get the whole microphone kit right there, and then you also get a whole tripod setup. Now, this thing, can I get it on camera? Yeah, I can. Okay, so there you go. It's a whole tripod. It's very basic. It's partly made of like some kind of metal, but the most of it is plastic. So pretty much all the hinges you see right here, the handle right there, all that, it's all plastic. So it's very basic, but it's nice that they include it because somebody who's trying to get their first microphone or get something that maybe their first filmmaking kit for starting a YouTube channel or something like that may very well need one of these. And it also comes with a smartphone holder, which is great because not everybody starting their first, YouTube channel or whatever has the money to buy a DSLR or mirrorless camera right off the bat. So you can just use your smartphone, which is very smart. There you go. So this thing is very cool. It articulates out like this to fit all sorts of different smartphones, and it adjusts on the tripod, and you can also do landscape mode or portrait mode, whatever you want to do. So very cool, super versatile, but yeah, like I said, it's just made of a lot of plastic, so you're gonna have to be careful with it. So as you guys can see on the box right here, it says this thing is good for video shooting, presentations, interviews, doing selfies. Everybody likes selfies. And then if you flip it over right here, it looks like you can use it with your smartphone, camcorder, PC, DSLR, all that kind of stuff. So this thing should be very versatile and made for just about everybody. So hopefully you guys end up liking this thing. So let's go ahead and slide the package out right here off the main marketing right there. And then right here you can see the lavalier mic itself. It looks like it does have a 1/4 inch adapter right there to the 1/8 inch right there, which is the main mic wire. You also get a little clip right there. Just so you guys know, these clips are notoriously usually breakable, so you gotta be very careful with it. I'll show you that in just a second. And then it has a little inline part right here that actually switches the mic on or off. And then it looks like the main on also doubles as maybe using it with your camera, your PC, and stuff like that. And then the off mode actually works with your smartphone. So we'll go ahead and test that here in a bit. But let's get this thing open real quick and see what we get in the package. So looks like it just comes right open just like that. And then this comes out, a little bit of that random stuff you always get. So underneath the actual package right here, looks like you get a little bit of your happy, not happy card right there. And then you get your user guide, which is always nice to have. Let's put that aside. What do we get? Oh, you get a little package right here, a little sack. What do you get? Is anything in it, or is this just to actually hold the whole thing? Okay, there is something in there. What do we get? Oh, there is a little windscreen fuzzy. And then what else is in there? Oh, you get an extra clip. Okay, so the thing I was trying to tell you about these clips, you guys, I use these a ton when I was doing weddings. And what I always notice about these, especially the budget ones, this little part right here that clips on the microphone itself, on the actual lavalier, this part is made of plastic. Now the rest of it is made of metal. But this part right here, you gotta be very careful with it, because if you pull it off, these little arms right here will snap. I promise you that. So it's cool they give you an extra. That's honestly probably why. But anyway, nice. So you get a little carrying bag to put all of your stuff in. Nice. Okay, let's get into the main goodies right here. So as you can see, we got another main windscreen fuzzy right here. So I guess you get 2 of those. So we'll put that aside. You get a battery. I'm guessing the main inline part right here requires a battery. So we'll put that in here in a second. And then, yep, you get your main clip right there for your lav mic. And then it looks like you get the mic itself. So let's go ahead and uncoil it. All right, holy crap, this thing is long. Okay, you guys, let me show you this. Look how much coil you get. That is crazy. Okay, so at first I was worried about, setting this thing up on a tripod and then trying to set up a scene and how far away you could actually use this lav, but holy crap, you got enough right there. That is long. Okay, and then like I said, you get the 1/4 inch adapter right there, which some things require, but then you can go ahead and pull that out and it just goes to a normal 1/8 inch adapter, 1/8 inch plug right there. So it's very versatile. I love that they include this as well, because certain recorders will require that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that aside. So I'll end up using it probably in just this regular configuration right here. And I mean, holy crap. Lots of space right there. You can probably set it up anywhere. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna show you that with this mic right here, you can actually just use this microphone, the tripod that comes with it, and your smartphone to kind of set up your very first little YouTube like talking head scene and show you how easy that is. So let's go ahead and go in my living room and I'll show you how to do that. All right, everyone, so just quickly to show you the setup we're gonna be working with. Obviously, there you go. There's the tripod that comes with the kit right there. So it did just fine getting in the position I wanted it to get in, so no worries there, it was just totally fine. And then of course you got our smartphone, which I'm sure all of you have one of those. So this is something that pretty much any one of you can do if you buy this kit. The only other thing that I had to add to this setup, other than this spot in my house, all this is just a wall that my girlfriend and I put some stuff up at, and then I threw some lights in the back of it. That way it looks cool in the scene. You can probably see it right there in my my smartphone. It's gonna look pretty cool, and obviously I'm gonna crop out the sides when it's all the way done, so you guys won't see that stuff. But back to what I was saying, the only thing I had to add was this light right here. And now these are the softbox lights that I've used for a ton of time, and they were the first ones that I bought when I started doing YouTube, and I highly recommend a softbox light to everybody when you're doing YouTube videos, because it gets you the softest little nice key light that you can get for a very cheap price. Now I'll link these down below so you guys can go ahead and grab one of these. They actually come in a set, so you get 2 of them, but they're pretty much just LED lights that have adjustments on the back, so you can adjust your color temperature and how bright, where is the thing at, how bright, how dark they are, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, very useful. So that's the only other thing you'd have to grab to do the exact setup I'm doing right now. And all I'm doing is I'm running the lav mic that we did right here using our dongle, because it's an iPhone, down on the ground. There's plenty, look at this, there's plenty of cable. There's so much more left. And I'm running that to my little chair right there. And what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna take the little inline mic part right there, and I'm gonna clip that to my pants, and then I'm gonna have this guy right here, and I'm gonna clip it to my shirt, and we're ready to go. So that's what we'll do next. All right, so now we have everything set up. Basically all I did, like I said, was I clipped the inline part down here on my pants. You guys can't see it, but it's there. It's this little guy right here. Just clip it to my pants so that way it holds it. It is in smartphone mode, and now I have the lav right here with a little foam windscreen attached to my shirt, just like you should anytime you're gonna be doing like an interview type thing or whatever with the lav mic. Just keep it down there, that way it's like at least 6 inches away from your mouth, and you're good to go. So honestly, I just wanted to make sure that I showed you guys how easy this is to set up a little scene right here for you guys to do whatever type of content you guys wanted to shoot. All you need is a nice little light, your smartphone, and a mic kit like this one right here. So like I said, if you guys want to pick this stuff up, links will be in the description down below. And hopefully for me talking right now, you get a nice idea of what the audio sounds like going into an iPhone. And the reason I did that was because I figured most of you guys are going to be buying this kit to use it with a smartphone setup. So hopefully this gives you a great idea of what everything sounds like. All right, everyone. So I hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at this little lavalier microphone kit, and maybe you got inspired to start making your own videos, or maybe this tool will help you create your own content that you want to create. So this is a very cost-effective way of getting started. So I hope you guys maybe use this tool to your own benefit. Anyway, that's going to be it for me. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys go ahead and drop me a like down there and let me know that you guys enjoy this kind of content, you want to see more. And if you guys are not part of the Visuals fam already and you want to join an awesome community full of like-minded individuals like yourself, go ahead and get subscribed and turn those notifications on so you'll always know when my newest video and my latest stream will be going live. Anyway, take care, you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.